Do you know what an explanation of benefits is? The kids call it an EOB. Well, if not, the answer is coming right up because that's today's insurance question, so stick around. How's it going, everyone? I'm Joey Giangola with Giangola Insurance, and today's question is all about explaining your benefits and how they are working for you. If you've been to the doctor recently, had maybe a test done, or really been anywhere near a hospital, chances are you might have found an explanation of benefits showing up in your mailbox just long enough after that procedure was done for you to forget about actually having it done. Don't fear, don't worry, because we're going to tell you exactly what it is, because you sometimes get these things and they look like bills, and you're like, what is this thing? What is it doing? What is it telling me? But basically, what it's not is it's not a bill. So don't worry, first off. Don't go mailing checks out everywhere to pay this thing because you think it's due, whatever else have you. Not what it is. Basically, the explanation of benefits' primary job is to show you how hard your health insurance is working behind the scenes. We call it the negotiated rate. Actually, a lot of your policy's value happens without you even knowing it. And that explanation of benefits is really the only way to kind of uncover its efforts for you and to see exactly what it's doing when. Basically, what the explanation of benefits summarizes is that discounted rate. So when you go have something done, there's a price that you'd be billed if you walked in off the street without insurance. And then there's a price that you are paying because you are covered under that insurance company, and they've already ahead of time worked out a deal with that doctor, with that hospital, for you to receive treatment for a significantly lower price. This is the advantages of networks, of hospital networks, of doctor networks, as health insurance companies drive business to those places in exchange for better pricing. Pretty simple supply and demand. So your explanation of benefits just kind of shows you how ruthless your insurance company is in negotiating those prices and getting you better deals. Usually it will show you the billed amount, and then it will also show you the allowed amount. And most of the time they are not the same thing. So it's very important to keep an eye on those. Basically, the EOB's job is to tell you, what is your responsibility, what the facility, the provider is trying to charge you, what your insurance company is allowing, and what's left over on your part to handle. So don't worry, a very simple way to keep track of this as far as who to pay and not to pay, so you're not sending checks all over the place, because sometimes that does happen. Just look up on the letter to see whose logo's there. If it's your insurance company's logo, chances are you don't need to send them any money, unless it is a bill, like for the actual health insurance. That's the only thing you're going to pay the health insurance company for most of the time. However, if the logo is of the hospital or doctor that you're seeing, chances are that's a bill, and you're going to want to get them some money pretty quick. So there you go, just a simple breakdown kind of telling you a little bit about what an explanation of benefits does. It's not the easiest thing in the world to understand or explain even. Just know that it's really going to help you understand what your health insurance policy is doing for you, where and when, and you'll be okay. So of course, this was today's insurance question. We are doing these 5 days a week. Every day we are open for business. We are answering a question for you to help you better understand anything insurance related, really. And if you have a question of your own, well, feel free to leave a comment wherever you're seeing this video. We'll be happy to answer it in an upcoming video. Or of course, if you do have some specific concerns or questions of your own that you don't want to really air out in public, well, feel free. You can reach out to me directly. By phone, by email. Would love to hear from you, talk to you about your situation, and help answer any questions that are troubling you so you can make a good insurance decision. That's what I do. So of course, I am Joey Giangola with Giangola Insurance. Take it easy, everyone. And, answer any questions that you do have help answer any questions that you do have outstanding. Help answer any questions that you do have. Help answer, oh boy.